Largest fracking companies cashing in on new oil drilling technology. The largest fracking companies are accessing a whole new source of previously unattainable natural gas. Their innovation is creating some big earning potential in the process. Investors have started to recognize the need for good, usable information on the breakthrough technique, as well as the companies that stand the best chance to benefit from their booming business. Fracking is literally a super drilling procedure. It's increasing oil well output by 33% and rejuvenating old wells that have previously been left useless. It's changing the game, and Absolute Wealth wants to show investors how they can profit by the impending oil boom that's about to occur in America. The special report from the investment experts that will help explain the current situation is called Sideways Oil: How Fracking is Reestablishing the U.S. as an Oil Power and How You Can Profit. It details the handful of companies using fracking that have found ways to capitalize on the huge supplies of natural gas located within shale rock. By blasting it apart and squirting water at high pressure into the deposits, fracking is making headway on the huge oil demand that the world is already experiencing. It has to be agreed upon that America still runs on oil, and there's not much that's going to immediately stop that. Also, a large portion of the rest of the world has begun to depend on natural gas for fueling cars, heating homes, and a plethora of other everyday uses. That equates to more export potential, which will lead to an overall economic improvement. Not every part of fracking is squeaky clean. Some objectors have criticized fracking for causing environmental events and damaging some of the quality of biological ecosystems near well drilling, but improvements are indeed being made. An AP article from the Washington Post highlighted some good news that recently came out of New York, which bodes well for the regulation efforts and cooperation of fracking companies. A study released Tuesday by the University of Buffalo's new Shale Gas Institute concludes that state oversight of gas drilling has been effective at reducing environmental problems in Pennsylvania and will prevent major problems in New York if the state allows drilling to begin. That means fracking companies are cleaning up their acts, and the future of fracking is becoming increasingly environmentally conscious. Investing in fracking companies that are leading the way is a promising move, and the Absolute Wealth Special Report acknowledges this fact and guides through the process. Sideways Oil is changing the way investors look at the potential of natural gas as it truly emerges as a game changer on a global economic scale. By informing them about the largest fracking companies, Absolute Wealth is helping investors realize that there's money-making potential in this scenario too. Learn more about the special report by going to www.absolutewealth.com/reports/sideways-oil.